So tonight we're on the train from Chaing Mai down to Bangkok. It's a sleeper train, and we're just half an hour out of Chaing Mai. So I'll just show you the carriage. You sit up like this, and there's a top bunk and a bottom bed that folds down like so. And you just ask the guard to come and do it. But look at the lovely view we've got out the window.
Wow, fantastic.
Paddy fields and
Salaburi.
Saraburi.
Yeah.
I think it's Lampang.
Oh, Lindy. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Okay, so
It's Chaing Mai.
in the morning we'll be in Bangkok, and on Sunday we're off to Vietnam, Hoi An. So we'll see you then.